Hi guys, Flo here, the consolist. Today's video is part 2 of the PS3 repair. In the previous video I fixed the Blu-ray drive that didn't take discs, so I fixed that. And in this video I will give this a really good clean, and I thought maybe I make a video about it. So let's clean this sucker, and now without any more waffle, let's get started. So first I will remove as much dust as I can before I dig further in here. I have here a little nozzle for my vacuum cleaner, so I will use that. So now I get the power supply out. Okay. So I think this board has to come out. So what's this? Well, looks like Bluetooth. Yeah, I will clean that. This is what was rattling around the screw. I wonder where this goes. So that's out. Yeah, I will clean that quickly. So I removed as much dust as possible. So now the only thing left is to get the fan out. Yeah, this needs a little bit of a clean, and then I think I should be good with this. And I found where the rattling screw was. It was here, so somebody was in here. Yeah. So I will clean this now. So now I lifted the board out here. Yeah, and the thermal paste is that's pretty hard. So I will clean that off here and replace it. So I use IPA and cotton buds for this. So let me clean this now, and then I report back. So this is nice and clean now. I will do this now on the heatsink here. So this is all clean now, and I will put on thermal paste, and I will check the battery here if that's still good and change it if I have to. Oh, it's a original Sony battery. So let me see how much voltage we got. 2.8. No, that's too low. Let me replace that. So here's a new one. So now I will apply fresh solar paste and put the board back in. So fresh thermal paste is on. So now let's put it back on here. So the fan is now clean or cleaner. So, final touches. So let's see now. If it still works. I do hope so. So let me play for a while and then I report back. Yeah guys, so I played a little. It's nice and quiet. Yeah, not hot or anything. Yeah guys, so I hope you enjoyed this. Maybe it helps you, maybe it doesn't. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you haven't already. Again, thanks very much for watching and I see you in my next video. Bye!